Hey there, this is Nick Slaughter with Red Ox Insurance Agency. I had a subscriber recently reach out to me and ask me what he could do to save money on his trucking insurance. So I created a quick list, and I just wanted to share that list with everybody. Also, stay tuned for the end. I also have a tip on how you can save money. It's not necessarily saving money on your insurance, but save you money as a truck driver. Okay, so let me get to it. 8 ways that you can save money on your trucking insurance. The first one is to make sure you're getting credit for having prior insurance. Most companies will give you a discount if you had existing coverage. So you want to make sure you have that together when you're getting quotes. You want to get together your declarations pages from your prior coverage and share that information with your agent and see if you can get a discount for having prior coverage. The second thing you can do is take on more risk. And what I mean by that is raise your deductibles. The more skin in the game that you have, the lower your insurance premium is going to be. So, you might have $1,000 deductible in comp and collision right now. You can raise that up to $2,500. You're taking on a little bit more risk if something should occur, but it's going to lower your insurance premiums. The third thing that you can do is make sure you're insuring your truck for the correct value. You could buy a truck for $50,000, insure it, and then if you're not paying attention, if your insurance agent isn't paying attention, it could be 3 years down the road and you're still insuring a $50,000 truck. And odds are the value of that truck has decreased since you originally bought it. So make sure you're adjusting the value of your truck every single year. Okay, that's one way. Another way. The fourth way is to ask your agent if the insurance company that you're insured with gives a discount for having a CDL. Maybe they have a discount if you just have a CDL, period. Maybe it's because you've had a CDL for X amount of time, 2 years and plus, could possibly get you a discount. Another way, the fifth way, is to see if the insurance company you're with gives an electronic logging device discount. So there's a lot of companies out there. If you have your ELD installed, you'll get a discount for having that. The sixth way is to see, not everybody can do this, but if you're in the position to do this, if you pay in full, pay the annual premium up front in full, you should get a discount. I know Progressive will give a 15% discount if you're in the position to do that. So that's another way to save a little bit of money on your insurance. The seventh way is to see if they will give you a discount if you set up an electronic funds transfer straight from your checking account every month. Insurance companies like that because they know that they're going to get paid as long as you have the money in there. So ask your agent if the company that you're with gives a discount for EFT. And then the eighth way is to hire good drivers. You want to make sure you're hiring drivers that have a good, clean motor vehicle report. If you don't have any drivers, if it's you, make sure you are driving as safe as you possibly can. Don't get any speeding tickets, at-fault accidents, things like that. Every time you have a ticket, a moving violation, or an at-fault accident, it's going to increase your premium. So those are 8 tips that you could use to save money, possibly save money on your trucking insurance. And I also want to give you a tip on how to save money just in general as a trucking business owner, and that's getting a fuel card from RTS. The folks at RTS are awesome to work with. They have 2 different types of fuel cards. The first one is free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's going to save you money on fuel. It's limited though. The free version is limited. So you have the likes of Pilot, Flying J, Speedway truck stops. Those all participate. But if you want deeper savings and a better fuel card, it's only the paid version is only going to cost you $10 to $12 a month. You have to have a credit score of 630 or higher. But that fuel card is accepted in almost all truck stops across the country. So you're going to get a deep discount on the cost of fuel, which is obviously it's a huge expense for truck drivers. So fuel cards are important. If you don't have a fuel card, golly, just get the cheap one, the free one. You know what I mean? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you want to upgrade. RTS, they're great to work with. They also do factoring if you need factoring if you're OTR. You can get factoring in a fuel card with RTS, one-stop shop. But no matter who you are, OTR or not, everybody should have a fuel card. Can't stress that enough. And if you click below in the details section, there's a link in the details for RTS. Just click on that, sign up for a fuel card. You'll thank me later. I believe that. And if you have any questions or concerns, like the gentleman that reached out and asked me how to save money on trucking insurance, if you have any questions, anything you want me to do a video on, feel free to send me an email, to comment below. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I want to put out valuable content for all truck drivers, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for listening. Bye.